everyone, it's Evan Sturm with AP Tech Group. I want to just take a quick second to show you how easy it is to use our new PTSA tablets. These tablets are designed to help with sizing systems that you're trying to treat. Each tablet is going to dose 100 parts per billion of PTSA in 1,000 gallons of system volume. The only thing you're going to need is the tablets and a PTSA meter. Let's take a quick second to show you how to use them. So the first step in using the PTSA tablet, there's a few things that you need to understand about the system you're going to use it on. There are first some interferences that can cause some inaccurate readings, so read carefully the product bulletin to understand that you are aware of those interferences. Secondly, you need to understand how much of a range your meter is going to have. This turner, for instance, actually has up to 1,000 parts per billion of measurement, so we shouldn't have an issue with this system. Finally, the last step you need to do is grab your tablet, throw it in the system.
Once you have introduced the appropriate amount of tablets into the system, you will need to allow those tablets to dissolve and distribute throughout the system. Dissolution of the tablet can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes depending on the bulk water temperature and velocity of water flow past the tablet. Distribution of the tablet can take anywhere from 30 minutes all the way up to a few hours depending on the system dynamics.
So now we've dosed the system and allowed for adequate time for that tablet to dissolve and actually mix through the system and get good turnover inside the system. Now we can actually take another measurement of the system and see what our PTSA has increased to. So originally, as we said, we started off with 131 parts per billion. Now, with our measurement, we're seeing an increase of 210 parts per billion. So we've gone from 131 to 210 parts per billion. Using the Solid Guide app, we can go ahead and enter in how many tablets we've entered it. So we put in one tablet. Our starting PTSA was 131 parts per billion, and our ending PTSA was 210 parts per billion. Solid Guide is showing us that we have 1,266 gallons of system volume. That easy.